Hello everyone, my name is Kevin. Today I'm going to show you some of the panels in AiHouse you can turn into a door. Alright, let's get into it. So first thing first, there's few from kitchen and there's few from system cabinet. Alright, of course there's a panel. Okay, let's get into it. First to go to the kitchen first. Okay, so some of the panel like this are like door cabinet visible panel or decorative black plate, decorative part. Right, I come with this special box. Okay, so in here I will see like other visible panel. Right, so as you can see it's nothing. You press P, right click, it's just very normal only. So this is for your super board. Okay, but there's other board you can use like this type of board like top panel or black red door or something like that, or false door. There is also decorative laminate. Okay, there is also back panel. Okay, like this one. It's just this one. Okay, so all these type of door, there was one special when you press B. Okay, press B, you can see this one. Right click, yes, this one. Transfer to door. Okay, this has become a door. Okay, of course, it'll be weird why I want to do this. Okay, doesn't mean you have to be a swing door or drawer or what. You can be also a fake door. Okay, then you can change their door panel to door type. You can use some of the panel pattern from doors. Then you can use it like, see, it can become clear glass door. So it can become a glass also if you don't know which material to apply and all, you can use this method. Okay, it can be a fake door, okay, or drawer if you guys want. Okay, so let's say I change another type where see I can change all these will be door patterns. Alright, see some of you will just want it like a door design or what, you can use it here. Okay, as you can see all here, all you can use. So I even can use this. Okay, for my panel. Then because I apply as a fake door, press on, nothing happened. Alright. Not just kitchen cabinet, same goes to storage, system cabinet. It's the same thing. Some of the panel also can. You see when you right click don't have, press B. Don't forget, press B. Right click, then you can see transfer to door. So it will change to door. Yeah, then you can change to door type. Yeah, so for this one it doesn't support for this one, so you can't use that one. So you can use other type lah. Maybe door call or something. No, not door call, like other type. Okay. So you can change panel into door. Only super board cannot. Right? But this one is super, yeah, super plate. This one can. This one is in here. Component class. Panel type. Super panel. Yeah. So some of panel can, like this one normal panel which is down here. Press B. Yeah, I can transfer into door. Superpod. Okay, I'll try it. Yep, so this superpod can. So you use storage superpod, then you can edit it to door. Alright. So that's about it. Okay. Hit the like button and subscribe. Okay, so don't forget press D. Okay, right. Bye.